What's up guys, welcome back to Techno Review. My name is Rohan Bijou and today we're going to review and build the Porsche 911 RSR LEGO Technic version. This car is so cool and has a cool design. This is one of the hardest builds I've ever made and it has a total of 1,580 pieces. This car was being made for kids 10 and up. Before you watch this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button and hit that notification icon to get notified on my next video. So let's start the unboxing and the making of the Porsche 911 RSR. Here is a comparison between the real car and the LEGO car. There we have it, a finished Porsche 911 RSR sports car. So this car has many features. It has an opening and closing doors. It also has steering, which means if you turn the steering wheel, the front two wheels will also turn. This car has back suspension and it also has a front suspension, which is very cool. In the back you can see the pistons the main engine of this car. So when the car moves backwards or forwards, you see the pistons move, which is actually a really realistic thing that is placed in this LEGO car. I really enjoy that feature because it makes it feel like this car is actually a real working replica of the Porsche 911 RSR. Thank you guys for watching Techno Review. Please subscribe below and hit that like button. Also hit that notification icon to get notified on my next video. So thank you for watching and bye bye.